So this is going to be arranged in a very specific way. My teacher, Ray Kinsler, said to me on a number of occasions, can you imagine if a pianist sat down at the piano each day and the keys were in a different place? So he said, you really should think about putting your paint in exactly the same place on the palette every day as you work, and you don't think about where they are. But there's also a logic to the way they are arranged. Now, Sargent arranged his paint in two distinct ways that I know of. One is to put white on one side, and in the palette I have, he had the white on the right-hand side, and then to work counterclockwise to black and on the other end. And then working from light to dark, and that's counterclockwise, and it's also from warm to cool. So I began here with putting the Permalba white. Now this is Cadmium Yellow Light. It's by Utrecht. And as I said, I buy what's on sale. So this was probably a good deal that day. That's why I bought that. And then I'm going to put raw sienna. This could also be yellow ochre, kind of a similar quality, those two colors. And then I sometimes, and I'm going to do it today, put cad orange out. It's a nice color. And then next I like to put alizarin. And then burnt sienna. And I vacillate between raw umber and burnt umber based on what I am liking at the moment. I have been on a raw umber kick for a while, so I'm using raw umber a lot. It does make, well, it's got, I'll tell you more about it, wonderful qualities. Next is Cerulean Blue. This is by Winsor Newton. It's a good cerulean. They're very different between brands, so based on what brand of blue you buy, they can be distinctly different. This is French Ultramarine Blue. Very good blue. Those two blues I don't know quite how to live without. I just love them both. I forgot a color. This is Cad Red Light. This should go right here, Cad Red Light. Sorry, I didn't see it sitting there. Here is Chrome Oxide Green. That's what I'm into right now. Sometimes I use sap green. This is by Richardson. This is by Williamsburg. Chrome Oxide Green is one that I like right now a lot. And then Ivory Black. And Ivory Black, because I like the coolness of it, I don't use Mars Black or Lamp Black. Some of the others are Bone Black. They dry slower, but I like the ivory. So to recap, Permalba White or Titanium would work fine. Cad Yellow Light, Raw Sienna, Cad Orange. This is Cad Red Light, Alizarin Crimson, Burnt Sienna, Raw Umber, Cerulean Blue and French Ultramarine Blue, Chrome Oxide Green, and Ivory Black. I do not change that arrangement. I keep that arrangement the same every day that I work.